To tip on the Lyft app, start by completing your ride and waiting for the rating screen to appear. This screen will ask you to rate your driver from 1 to 5 stars. Below the rating section, you will see an option to add a tip. The default tip options are usually 10%, 15%, and 20% of the total fare. But you can also choose to enter a custom tip amount. To do this, tap on the other option and enter the amount you want to tip. When deciding how much to tip, consider the quality of service you received from your driver. If your driver was friendly, helpful, and provided a smooth ride, you may want to tip on the higher end of the scale. On the other hand, if you experienced any issues with your ride, you may want to tip less or not at all. It is also worth noting that tips are not required, but they are appreciated by drivers as a way to show appreciation for good service. Additionally, tips are not included in the initial fare, so you will need to add them separately after your ride is complete. To confirm your tip, tap on the tip amount you have chosen and then submit your rating. Your driver will receive the tip amount you have chosen, and it will be added to their earnings for the ride. By following these steps, you can easily tip your Lyft driver through the app and show your appreciation for a job well done. Remember to always tip based on the quality of service you received. And do not feel obligated to tip if you were not satisfied with your ride.